I'm Fiona, the pelvic floor physio with pelvicfloorexercise.com.au, and today I'd like to show you how to put your Vaginismus dilator set together. Vaginismus dilator sets come with 6 dilators ranging from the very small size up to the larger size. Now, we always start with the smaller sizes, so I often pop the bigger ones to one side so they don't look so intimidating. And we can start with our smaller ones, and if need be, you can progress on to the larger ones. Whenever you're using dilators, you have to think about what the end result is that you're after. Are you interested in resuming penetrative intercourse, or are you just looking to being able to comfortably have a vaginal examination for medical reasons? So even though the sets do come with a range of sizes, we just need to work with the ones that are most appropriate for you. With the Vaginismus ones, they come with a handle. All of the dilators fit the same handle. So if we start with our smallest one, we just pop it in and it just screws together. So you can see from that the size, not much different to the size of an index finger. When you've used that size and you're wanting to go to the next size up, you simply pop it off, take the next size, and we clip it in and it clips into place, and so on up through the sizes. When you've been doing a program with your dilators, if you've progressed beyond the small one, coming back to your next session with any dilator set, it's always advisable to start again with the smallest one and then work your way back up to where you were previously. And if you can progress from there, you can do so. What you shouldn't be doing is, if you've got to, for example, the size 3, coming in next session going straight to the 3rd size. Always start back with those smaller ones. You may be able to work more quickly through them as you progress. And as I said, we only progress on to the larger ones if they're appropriate for what your gains and your goals of treatment are. When using your Vaginismus dilator set, please follow the directions that you've been given by your treating health professional, because they will know the condition that they're treating you for, and they will know the best way for you to progress with your dilation treatment.